What's going on, everybody? I got a hold of a PS5 at 2 a.m. last night. It is 7:48 on launch day, November 12th. Yeah. I'm on 5 hours of sleep, and I gotta go get my brother's PS5. He has no idea this is gonna be fucking awesome. Come along with me. Let's go. Let's do it.
Hey, yo, I need cats.
All right, y'all. Dude, that fucker's so big. Are you kidding? What the fuck? I didn't think it was that big. Anyways, guys, now we gotta drive home. Isaac's not even awake yet, so this should work perfectly. Perfectly. I hope. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I just got pretty close back to my house. I stopped at the grocery store and got gift wrap and a bow, and I scuff wrapped the shit out of this fucker on the front of my car. So hopefully this goes smoothly. I don't know. I don't even know if he's awake or whatever the fuck he's doing, but yeah, I'm excited. I've never been able to do something like this before, so it really is a big deal for me. I'm excited, so.
Thank you. Really? Just open your thing. Read it. Thanks. What is that? You're kidding. Shut the fuck up.
No.
You're kidding. Shut up. Oh my god. How'd you get this?
What do you say?
Last night. When? 2
All
a.m.
right.
How? How did it get here? I drove up there this morning. No, you didn't. Yeah, I did.
Aww, what do you say?
Hey, buddy. Oh, Mom. Go set it up down with Cold War so we can play.
So as you guys saw, he had no idea. It turned out really well. He wasn't even awake yet, and it was hilarious. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love it. I've never been able to do something like this, so it was super special for me to be able to give him something. But I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.